Look, I'm not gonna lie, this bloody intro has taken me at least an hour because I just can't get the freaking words together and stuff. I just can't fathom, you know what I mean? I'm blabbering right now and tripping over my words. But look, this video is all about me filming the whole experience, being in a kitchen, aka an environmental portrait, shooting this chef that's about to move to Melbourne for a new gig next month. So what I've done with this one, I usually shoot all my portraits in my own studio right here, using my black backdrop, using my own lighting setup called the Rembrandt lighting, and using an 85 1.2 by Canon. It's an L series lens. But obviously being in the kitchen and having a lot of people, you know, moving behind me and all that, working as well around us, I've decided to use the 50 1.2 L series lens, which is this one right here. So, I mean, it's 1.2, it's nice and fast, it's nice and crisp, because the workhorse camera that I'm using is the EOS R, which is a 31 megapixel censored camera, which is just, mwah, in my opinion, very, very good for portraits. So obviously Ash is a pastry chef, so he'll be making some food and desserts for us. So I'm gonna use the RF35 macro. So this one right here is going to be very, very crisp and just grabbing all the details of the food, especially desserts and all that. But my main horse for this one, obviously it's going to be an environmental shoot. I want it to be, you know, a wide angle, nice and fast, nice and sharp lens. So I'm going to use a 16 to 35 f2.8 Mark II by Canon as well. So this is the three lenses that I'm going to use, and hopefully you guys like the video, because this is the first time I'll be shooting and filming the whole experience for you guys to enjoy. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I'm sorry but if I don't have the energy, because this freaking intro has taken me ages to do, so this is the best one, I think. Hopefully you guys like the video. Peace. Thinking, man, maybe here, because that's a long hallway sort of thing. Yeah. So I'll just shoot you. Stop there. Go back a bit. So what we'll do, cross arms like this. Yeah. Go side on. Yeah, and then just turn like that. Yeah. 3. Yeah, there it is. Can I make this as my profile photo? It'll be on my LinkedIn as well. Those are good ones. That's the best one there.
Oh, that's fucking awesome, yeah. Yeah, they're really good.
Let's go with food shots with you.
Yeah.
Sort of like faking like meal prepping sort of thing.
Mm-hmm. So I can do like a building of a tart.
Yeah, man.
Components of that.
Could you do it there?
Yeah.
So just like.
I was also thinking of. I know it's just a tart.
Dude,
but like doing some ice and sugar shot.
Yeah, we'll go as low as we can.
Yeah.
So I can get all the shots that we need. All right. Ooh. Hey boss, is it alright if I can put this in? Yeah? So I'm shooting now with a 16 to 35 f2.8 L series lens. So I usually use this for a lot of like environmental photos, especially here. So the good thing about this, it's a wide angle zoom. So 16 is very, very wide. And then obviously 35 if you want to go in a little bit closer. So you have that room of like breathing room. So it's quite nice. So I'm gonna get Ash just here, and hopefully it turns out well. We'll go this way, I reckon.
Me this side?
Yeah. Do you need this? No, that's good. So the more the merrier, does that make sense?
Okay, yeah.
Yes. That great tea. Alright, it's fine. So I'm just gonna do a snapshot. Yeah. 3, 2, look up for a bit. So I'll just show the framing now.
You want to go a bit closer in?
Yeah. See, man, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Stop there, look at me. Nice. Alright, let's go again. Do your magic.
Try and give me some loose there.
The question is now though, should I eat this? Is this for me?
Yeah. To be fair, it's a bunch of stuff I found lying around the freezer. But it is all yours.
Sweet. I love being a photographer sometimes. Hey? Oh, nice. One done?
It's okay.
Oh, hold it in front of you like this.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to light.
No, it's good. The lighting's good. Nice. All right, put it down. I'm just gonna change to a macro lens for the food.
Yep.
And like you're gonna place it. I'm gonna get as close as I can. 3, 2. Nice.
Go, how many you got, man? I was like, fucking yes. Save us $5 grand.
He's good for it.
Oh. All right, smile for Tinder. 3.
You're on the other one.
That's what I said.
Window.
Yeah. All right, so go as slow as you can, possibly can. Because I'll be doing horizontal and then vertical as well for your Instagram.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah? All right, let's do it.
Just tell me if I'm going
Yeah, go for it. Nice. I'll just go behind it. We'll do this action shot, go again.
Yep.
But don't, because I want to get your face with it too. So try not to cover your face with a, what the fuck that's called. 3. Spoon. Yep. I don't work in the kitchen. One more for Insta. 3, 2, go a bit lower. Nice.
That's a place to go because it's got good wine.
Like the kicks.
Hey, they're like 3 years old, mate. They're fun.
Go.
Yes.
Cash.
Hands out or?
Well, you can put it in your pocket. Oh, there. Spin. We don't want that.
Look like
Right,
government.
change your hands position. Yeah, that's it. Casual. Should be a model, bro. Huh?
Maybe I need to get myself into it.
Run away.
Run away.
Go back again. So the framing will be.
You're cutting the bottoms out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to cut your Gucci shoes off. Sorry, bro.
Mate, there's nothing wrong with those shoes, bruh. Million miles they've taken me.
Unfortunately, it didn't take it to another shop. Fucking burn! Burn! Get a little fire, burn!
Sorry.
3, another one. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so what to take away from that video? So you probably watch me sort of interact with Ash, you know, cracking some jokes and stuff like that, because I am used to that. Being a PT in the past for 10 years has made me, you know, sort of like numb in a way that I'm very approachable. I don't take things too seriously and all that. So what you guys could do in your first couple of gigs and until you can get better, until you get more experience, is, you know what, just be yourself. Don't try to be anything that you're not, because remember, your client is going to be as nervous as you, or maybe even more. So, you know, just try to break the ice, conversate with them, you know, try to crack some few jokes. Obviously, don't go too overboard or like too rude, you know, make it like really, really awkward, you know what I mean? But you just try to be yourself, you know, and just talk, you know, and just make it flow, make it flow. And, you know, once you start getting that ball rolling, man, it's just going to be a smooth sailing from there. So hope you guys liked that video. It's a nice and quick one. You know, you guys can step into my shoes and see what I do and how I react and counteract with my clientele. So I'm just going to keep pumping these videos out in the future. I got a few more shoots coming up, so stay tuned for them. And that's about it. So hopefully you guys like that. My name is Karlo, aka Capture It, signing out.